The gym used to be a place where you came to work, to push yourself, respect the space, respect the equipment, and respect the other people in there that are grinding it out alongside of you. Now, I've been asking myself lately, are public gyms starting to lose their way? I mean, just tell me if that's the case or not, because it feels like we've gone from places built on discipline and respect and focus to places where anything goes, and it seems like nobody cares. I'll give you one example. Just the other day, I met a local gym and I see a young guy on the leg press machine, not training, not even setting up for a set. His feet were propped up, his phone was in his hands, and when I walked by, he was playing a video game. Not texting between sets, not tracking a workout, playing a game. And meanwhile, because those machines are limited, other people were standing around having to do other things because the machine wasn't available. Then another time recently, I was working on one of the machines and a young man walks up and he starts taking plates from the machine and he walked away with them. He didn't ask, are you using these? Are you about to finish up? Nothing. He just walked away with some of the plates. It's like the basic gym etiquette we all learned when we started has just disappeared. It's not just about phones or someone taking weights. And listen, I'm all for anybody. God bless anybody that gets up and gets to the gym and tries to make themselves better and work out. I love that. But the gym used to be a place where you came to work, to push yourself, respect the space, respect the equipment, and respect the other people in there that are grinding it out alongside of you. Now, for too many people, it's just another hangout spot with mirrors and music. Somewhere to scroll social media, pick up females, film a TikTok dance, or maybe get a couple of half-hearted sets in if you feel like it. And that's why I think if you can swing it, a home gym is probably your better option. Actually, not probably. If you can do it, a home gym is your best option. There's no waiting for machines. There's no one taking your weights mid-set. There's no distractions except the ones that you bring in yourself. You control the environment, you control the music, you control the cleanliness, and you control the energy in that space. And that's the real deal. And when you walk in, you know exactly why you're there. To work, to make a difference, to get something accomplished. I'm in my personal gym right now, okay? This is a space where I like to go, but there are days where I like to go to the public gym because the public gym does provide me with some of the equipment that I like to use that I do not have, or I do have, but mine doesn't work quite as smoothly. And so this is my personal gym that I'm coming to you from today. But when I pay to go there and I go there with a serious face on and I go there to get a job done and get out, it's very, very frustrating. I know some of you have gone through this too. I want to hear from you on it because I know you get frustrated with it. The question is, do you say anything or do you just let it slide and just wonder, shaking your head, what's going on? And let me be clear. I go to several public gyms in different states as I travel around and I work out. And I'm not saying all public gyms are bad because some are way better than others. And there are still plenty of serious lifters and respectful people out there. So don't misunderstand me. But if we don't hold ourselves and each other to a higher standard, public gyms will keep sliding towards being social clubs instead of training grounds. And I happen to take this thing serious, as you can tell by me putting a video out about it. So whether you're in a public gym or your own garage, remember why you're there. Show up with purpose, train hard, and respect the space. That's the best advice that I could give anybody in the fitness world. And that's how we keep the gym a place worth going to.